How to update Messenger on Android.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily update Messenger app on your Android. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Play Store app on your phone. Once you have opened it, simply tap on the search icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you are in your search section, simply tap on the search bar and simply search for the Messenger app. And here on the search result you can see the messenger icon, so simply tap on that. And once you see the interface like this, you can see the update button, so simply tap on that. And once you tap on it, the update process will start, so you just have to wait for some time for the update to complete. And once the update is complete, you can simply tap on open to launch the messenger, and that's it. That's how you can update the Messenger app on your Android. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.